All right, so today we're at Lakes Region Technology Center to present our winners for SkillsUSA Collision Competition. Let's go check it out.
Today is about the collision program here at Lakes Region Technology Center. Want to congratulate the students, not only that won, but anybody who participated in this. It takes a lot to kind of step out of your comfort zone and get involved with something like this. And for those that place, you know, we've got some good rewards for you. We saw you on stage at the award ceremony, but now it's time to collect your prizes. So
I was in the SkillsUSA refinishing, and I came in first.
I got first in collision technology.
I got second.
Second place in refinishing.
Auto refinishing, and I placed third.
My first thought was, it's amazing. I love the color, and I love that I personally got a $1,500 scholarship with it.
It's going to be the paint gun. It's a SATA.
I want to try and get an apprenticeship after I graduate high school.
I plan to work and then go to school for automotive. I'm definitely going into the automotive technology.
It was great to be up here and see all the students, and I want to thank all the sponsors for donating different prizes such as Key Collision, National Coatings and Supplies, Snap-on Tools, as well as New Hampshire Auto Dealers Association.
They didn't realize what the prizes were. I think they're pretty much blown away from what they got. Super excited. I'm super excited for them.